Hello and welcome to our look at the upcoming week of January 4th in the binary options markets. You can see that I have the economic calendar in front of you. Quite a bit going on the 4th itself. Manufacturing PMI coming out of several European countries. So that should affect most of the major European stock indices, perhaps even the euro. That being the case, the market looks as if we could possibly find ourselves going back and forth during the first day of the week, first trading day of the year. Quite a bit of choppiness. Ultimately, it will focus on stocks, though, as I said. The Tuesday session gets unemployment out of Spain. Probably not a big deal, but as we roll into Wednesday, we get unemployment out of Germany, much more important. ADP employment change out of the United States could move the stock markets. ISM non-manufacturing PMI, maybe, but really FOMC minutes, of course, will be greatly parsed as to the Fed's next move on Wednesday and will certainly affect the stock markets as well as the U.S. dollar. As we roll into Thursday, we get a lot of unemployment numbers from smaller countries. We have the monetary policy meeting accounts, the minutes out of the ECB. Could move the euro if there is a shock in there right now, not expected to though. Initial jobless claims unemployment rate comes in on Friday out of Canada and the US, making the dollar-Canadian dollar pair very interesting on Friday. As non-farm, of course, is the granddaddy of them all. So, with that, let's take a look at some of the charts. Silver ends up being pretty negative during the previous week. We just continue to grind lower. We feel that the strengthening U.S. dollar continues to punish silver, and then it's only a matter of time before we break down significantly and towards the next major support barrier that we see as $12. The DAX has been pretty lackluster lately, and it looks like we may need to pull back a little bit to build up enough momentum to finally go higher. With that, we believe that the market may very well pull back for the first few sessions and then turn back around to have a fairly non-committal week. The FTSE formed a very bearish candle for the week, and it looks like we are going to drop back down to about 6,000 to continue the consolidation that we've been in. A breakdown below the bottom of the weekly range should bring put buyers into the mix. With that, we've taken a look at the upcoming January 4th trading week.